everyone, Mrs. Halpin here. Welcome to week 2 of Gothic literature. Last week it was a lot of fun reading your responses to the anticipation guide and seeing what your knowledge of Gothic literature is, and I really enjoyed meeting a lot of you in class last Wednesday. It was kind of nice getting to know you, seeing what your favorite scary movies were, what your favorite Gothic lit stories were. So I really enjoyed getting to know you a little bit last week. So this week we are starting our first unit, which is Gothica, When Gruesome is Delicious. Oh yeah, you're gonna see these super awesome titles in the classroom, okay? This week, we're really going to dive into the basics of Gothic literature. You're going to go over the history of it, we're going to go over those Gothic themes, maybe some stories that you might be familiar with. We're not going to read the stories, we'll just kind of go over those titles to kind of give you an idea of what Gothic literature is. You're going to have 2 assignments this week. The first one is going to be a reader's reflection question and answer assignment, and you're going to, I would really suggest that you open up this assignment as you're reading through the pages because it will be a lot easier to answer the questions. Then you're going to take a test that will assess your knowledge of Gothic literature, those basic themes, that background information, because everything that we're doing this year is going to build on these ideas, okay? If you have any questions at all as we're going throughout the week, don't hesitate to ask. Don't forget, on Wednesday at 1:45 we do have our live session, and this would be a really good session for you to come to because I'm going to go over those really important things you might know for, say, an assignment or a quiz. And it's a good way to stay involved in the class. If you have any questions at all, don't hesitate to ask, and have an awesome week. Thank you so much. Bye.